drying up down there. Don't want another nick or a weeper. Probably get a weeper down there. Too aggressive. From Russia. All right, today we're going to be using Sterling soap, Executive Man. Very nice soap. And I'm going to be using a Gillette Silver Blue from Russia. All right, so I've got a nice lather right here with my synthetic T3 knot by Simpson, and that's what my bowl looks like. Nice peaks. All right, let's go for it. Some water on the tips of that, warm it up a little bit. Yep. My hip surgery got canceled. Yeah, I had gout in my right toe. Ooh, the big one. Yeah. So it got pushed back 2 more weeks, which kind of sucks. Now I have nothing to do. Just planning on being down and watching football with my father. All right. So I'm curious about this setup. Did a few videos on the Gillette Platinum that came out really good. That was a hell of a razor blade. This one has very high reviews as well. I'll link down below where you can get it and how much they cost. I have no clue. These blades were given to me by one of the subscribers, Dan, and thank you, Dan, using a lot of your products. All right, so Merkur 34C. It's already loaded in there. Let me heat it up a second. All right, we'll go in for the first pass, and I am going to do a 3-pass shave. I think I've been rushing that lately. So I'm working with a 4-day shave here. First pass is really hard to make a statement about a blade. I think I just cut myself. Too aggressive. All right, might as well just get the Allen block out now. Okay. Jawline with the grain. All right, first pass, pretty good. Neck, yeah, neck always takes 2 passes, does not matter. Oops, just dropped the brush. All right. All right, second pass, cross grain. Trying to fill that out. Okay. You know what, that's drying up down there. Don't want another nick or a weeper. Probably get a weeper down there. Not the best angle. Not a very good pass for me. That angle down here, very hard. All right, let me wash up. All right, second pass, good. Didn't get a very good pass down here. That angle, you got to hit that angle. And like I said, the greatest thing about this razor, if you don't get the angle, it does not cut. So to me, that's an advantage, not a disadvantage. So let me some more soap here. I'm gonna put some hot water in there because it's getting cold. All right. Okay, against the grain. Not much came off there. Against the grain. Yeah, it's drying up too. Very comfortable razor. I gotta say that. Yeah, let me clean up. Okay. Cheeks are baby butt smooth, or BBS. Neck, you can feel a little bit over here. I'm gonna hit that again. I'll do some cleanup there. I'll mention in the comments how good this razor was or was not. It's hard for me to tell right after I shave, unless I cut the heck out of myself. Not much there. Yep, it was right there on the ends. Okay, let me clean up. All right. Maybe a little bit right here. I'm gonna let that go. Some alum block. Let me put an alum block to my face. Obviously, stings there because I nicked myself. Little bit underneath here. Actually, quite a bit through here. Yeah. All right. Trying to get rid of that red spot. Okay. Finish it off with some Nivea. About yay much. Get my neck off camera. Okay, the shave, yeah, I liked it. Aggression wise, or sharpness I should say, I want to say it's sharper than an Astra blade for sure. Astra blade would have had a hell of a time going through 4 days of growth. This blade did not have that problem. Yeah, still a little bit there, but again, in like 20 minutes, when my face cools down, those hairs are gonna go back into my face, and I shouldn't have any problems whatsoever. But yeah, good shave. Probably gonna have to shave with it one more time, just to give me a baseline. I mean, that's pretty much where I'm at right now. But I tell you what, I'm really looking forward to using this blade again. It's highly reviewed on Amazon. I have quite a few more videos, which are going to be here and there. So why don't you check them out, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Thank you so much.